Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to delete lists in Amazon on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly, of course, I'm going to open my Amazon applications. Here I'm going to open it first and make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And after, just go ahead to this profile at the bottom. After, go to this list option here guys. And in this page you will find this is my list on Amazon. If you want to delete it, you just have to tap on this list folder. Just go ahead and after tap on this three dots icon at the top right. Now go ahead to this delete list if you want to delete all the lists on Amazon. But if you want to delete it one by one, you just have to tap on this list item, which is, for example, I'm gonna erase or delete for this bracelet. Tap on this three dot icon. Now tap on delete, and here I'm gonna delete for all my lists. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tap on this three dots icon again. Now tap on delete list, tap on yes, and yeah, as you can see, there are no lists again on my Amazon account, you guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.